You are chosen for beautiful things.
Hey transitioning girlies, welcome back to another video. If this is your first time here, my name is Charmaine and I make natural hair care videos while in transition. So I'm actually transitioning from heat to natural. Don't mind this. I had a weak moment and I did fall for it. I was craving a silk press so bad and I did it, and it is what it is. We're here. So what I'm going to be doing in this video is I'm going to be doing a Indian healing clay mask in my hair. So this is really good when you are transitioning from heat to natural or any kind of damaged hair over to natural, even when having a silk press. So this is how we're going to revive everything and rejuvenate and get all the good things going on in the hair. So I do have some tips here, not tips, but some health benefits of using the healing clay mask. So it does clarify without harsh stripping. It enhances curl definition. It balances the scalp, strengthens the strands, love that. Improve moisture absorption, and it helps gently detangle the hair. Okay, before we were rudely interrupted by my children, the healing clay mask can dry your hair out. So it's not recommended that this is a mask that you want to do weekly. I personally would recommend you do this once a month. This will be my first time doing this in a couple of months, but I'm really only doing it because I did do a silk press. So I know this is what's going to help me. And then right after you take this out of your hair, you want to follow up with a deep conditioner, okay? So I'm gonna go ahead and just make this. So I'm gonna just probably play a little music behind this and just make the clay. And then I'll put like the steps and all the beautiful things here, okay?
The mess, drop it in the water, let the daughter find an image with the rest. She'll be learning how to breathe.
Oh wait, I forgot to mention, when you do mix this together, you just want to get like a regular bowl and then like a plastic spoon. You don't want to get metal. Like nothing metal, period. Like don't use a metal bowl, no metal utensil, because it's gonna take the benefits away from the healing clay, okay? So now we're gonna make it.
Of heaven for the bottoms of her feet. Teach her how to jump and how to stretch when she reach, like the angels do, and you gon' make it through now. Tell about the healer, greater is the one within, and call him as the leader. Teach her how to hold a pretty hand up to the sky, and never wait upon the giver, he'll deliver like a dealer. To take her higher, higher, fly out the valley and the fire. Take her higher, higher, fly up out the valley and the fire. Train her feet for running, show her every door and how the windows let the sun in. Copy out the key and tell her this is for becoming. Even in the fever, baby, cry and get to running. And tell her that you better get your bootstraps up. You're with the army, ready when the truth act up. Nothing can harm me. Yelling from the roof I touch, put up a guard and count to 10. Lion's den, speaking with the higher pen. Can't be touched by fire then. Fast forward to the grown things now. I'm working on them soul things now. Forgiving all your old ways, but it's harder on the cold days. Cold days. Never been a product of a flawless environment. Never acted like I'm higher than you. And I still pray, dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away, yeah. Cause I would rather be running away. I would rather be running. Dear God, won't you send me a break? Cause I need to get away. I need to get away now. I need to get away.
my hair. So we're getting ready to see what is she looking like under here. My hair is very soft and it feels really good. So this is what we're looking like. The curls still came back, okay? Like it's oh my gosh, my hair is so soft and it's so shiny. So we're okay. We're okay. Nothing happen. I didn't mess my hair up anymore. Like I'm not the type of girl where someone gives me a story and then like I believe them, you know? Like I'm asking questions or I'm going to go do the research for myself. So they try to tell the natural girlies like to stay away from heat and all of the things. Scrap it, okay? Put it in the trash, to the left, to the left. You can put heat into your hair, but not excessively. And it's how you put the heat into your hair. So when I did my silk press, I washed my hair and all of the things, still did a deep condition, and then I put a leave-in conditioner in my hair, and then I put heat protectant in my hair to make sure my hair was, like my strands were safe before I went in with my flat iron, and it was not on the hottest setting, okay? And I didn't blow dry my hair on the hottest setting, okay? And the curls came back just fine. Like we're still doing really good, and I think that the clay is gonna be what I'm gonna start utilizing a little bit more often. So literally once a month, I'm gonna start doing that because I love how my hair feels and my scalp looks amazing. Let me show y'all my scalp. I don't know if y'all can see, but whatever. Scalp looks amazing. I'm not in the mood. I'm just gonna show you guys the products that I use. So of course I went in with the Pantene Gold series. If you know, you know. This stuff is amazing. The shampoo and conditioner, just shampoo my hair twice, and then I went in with the conditioner, and then I detangled my hair. And then for my deep conditioner, I used the Scala Advocate deep conditioner in my hair. Now, I don't wash my hair in the shower, okay? I don't use my shower. I wash my hair in my sink, and I turn the heat on, and I have a hair steamer, and that's how I wash my hair. Like the hair steamer is there, and just opening up the strands, and then I wash my hair with the steamer. I condition my hair with the steamer. I detangle with the steamer, and then I put the leave-in conditioner. When I'm putting the leave-in conditioner in my hair to get ready to sit under my dryer for about 10 minutes, I turn my water on the hottest setting, and then I like push it over to the side, and with the steamer, it creates like a whole mist of steam, like right there in my sink. And my hair is in there, open up the shafts, and then go in with my leave-in conditioner. So that's a little nugget, you know, if you don't want to be using the shower, because I don't want back acne, and I don't be in the mood. And this is the detangling brush I use. I'm pretty sure I got that off Amazon or something, but I really don't know. So yes, that is going to be the end of this video. I'm just going to go ahead and of course do a braid out, because you already know the game. We're going to be doing the braid out before my hair gets too dry. So I will see you transitioning girlies in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to your girl's channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.